Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Elizabeth Johnston. I'm a mortgage broker in California and Texas, in case you didn't know, or you're new to the channel. Today, my topic is about gift funds. Did you know that if you didn't want to use down payment assistance and you've got family that's like, I want to help you buy a home, let me help you, so on and so forth. Did you know that they could actually gift you money for your down payment and or your closing costs? So today's topic is all about that, how it works, what the rules are, and common mistakes to avoid. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is gift funds? Well, it's money given to the borrower coming from family, someone from your organization at work, or a charitable organization. Somebody is gifting funds to the borrower in order to help with their down payment and or closing costs. But here's the deal. It's literally in the name. It is a gift. It is not a loan. It cannot be paid back. So now you're probably wondering who can actually gift these funds? Well, mom, dad, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, anybody in your family tree can give you these funds. You can also use your employer or some sort of charitable organization, but they need to be directly linked to you. So we need to make sure that the relationships are legitimate and it's not like some random guy you met on the street that says, hey, I'm going to give you money for your down payment. That's not how it works. So if you are a borrower and you find a donor, whether it be your family, your job, or a charitable organization, they need to be aware of two things. One, we're going to need a letter. And in this letter, it needs to be the donor's name and the relationship to the borrower, you. The other thing is we're going to need to know the amount of the gift. And the next thing, we're going to need some sort of statement on this document that says, hey, I am gifting this money. I do not expect repayment as this is a gift. We need everyone to understand that this gift cannot be repaid. The second thing is the donor needs to be made aware that we're going to need some sort of bank statement wherever these funds are held in a bank, in a trust, whatever it is. We're going to need that statement because we want to make sure that it is legitimate and it needs to be properly sourced and documented. And if they are going to transfer this to the borrower, we're going to need proof of that transfer. Or if it's going directly to closing, we're going to need to show the line. Now, I bet you're wondering, how much can you gift? Well, to be honest, there is no maximum. It can be used for your down payment and or closing costs. So whatever that is, that's what you can do. So now that we've gone over the whole point of gift funds, there are some mistakes that we really want to avoid. And the first one is not getting the right documentation. Because if it's not properly documented, this can delay your loan approval. The second thing is mixing the terms loan and gift. Remember, this is a gift. It cannot be repaid back. If it is expected that you're going to pay it back, it doesn't count as gift funds. The third thing is last minute transfers. We want a very clean, clear paper trail. So if there's going to be any sort of movement, make sure you talk to the lender and make sure that it's okay. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you know you can reach out to me. If you're already working with a lender, reach out to them and say, hey, what are the rules? How can I get in on this? If you're in California and Texas, I would absolutely love to help you. Take care and see you later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know to let them know all about gift funds.